too much information tag. Oh my god, I don't really know whether I am prepared to do this, but so what? I think we should get into it, right? So what too much information? But yeah, I'm a little skeptical, but nevertheless, hi guys, what's up? Today I'm doing a TMI tag and I am literally freaking out because I have never done this before. I've never done this earlier at all, I don't think so. Well, of course I do open my Snapchat and I'm always interacting with you guys here and there, but too much information, like revealing things that I probably wouldn't otherwise. Well, let's get on with it, no harm. So a lot of you guys have sent in your questions on like email, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and I have just sort of clubbed them and I have like odd 20 questions here which I'm going to be answering for you all right now. So, oh my god, don't judge me. Let's get started. Okay, the first question that I have here is, how does it feel being married at an early age? It feels normal. Like, I don't know, I got engaged when I was 22 and I'm 25 right now, although I got married just a year and a half ago. It feels normal. I think I absolutely love this feeling. I love being in love and I'm glad that Vipul's so supportive. So, how does it feel being married? It feels great. Have you been in a relationship before? People don't watch. I have. No, he knows of course. Yes, I have. I have been in 2 serious relationships before I settled down. Your favorite makeup product? Oh my god, it has to be lipsticks. I think I am such a huge lipstick addict. It's not even funny. I have about 108 lipsticks in total, which I have counted. And I think the list is just gonna keep on increasing. So it has to be lipstick no matter what. Even if I'm stepping out of the house and I have no makeup on my face, I will for sure have a lipstick and some mascara on because that's the way to look glamorous in a jiffy. Next question is, when did you decide to start a blog? Well, honestly speaking, I did not really decide to start a blog per se. It's really funny and I don't think I've ever shared this earlier with you all. I started my blog at 3 AM in the morning on the 15th of June, right after I had a massive fight with Vipul. Yeah, I started my blog at that point of time. I just felt the need to express myself and I still remember the first post was all about, hi, I am Hesha Chima. And I don't know why I did it, but absolutely no regrets. I'm glad because when I got my first comment on that post, it meant the world to me. Like somebody out there is actually commenting on what you're writing. Just feels great. So I did not really intend to start a blog. I have been a journalism student, so I've always loved and enjoyed writing, and makeup and fashion's been my thing always. Not always, but ever since I turned 18, or let's say puberty hit me. But yeah, I just didn't decide to start a blog. But now I think that's one of the best decisions that I never made but made. So yeah. Let's go to the next question. Do you have any weird habits? If yes, what it is? Do I have any weird habits? I do have weird habits because I think everybody has weird habits. But what my weird habit is, I'll probably have to think. I think I'm really random. Like, you know, when this is like a closed room and when people are working in my office, or you know, when I'm just sitting and you know, probably on my phone, and I'll suddenly go like, what? Oh my god, what is happening? I just scream. Like I literally scream at the top of my voice, and I think I just blame it on my genes. I'm Punjabi. I'm born to be loud. I'm born to be like this. So it's cool, yeah. Like, I just scream. How did you lose all the weight post your wedding? I lost my weight before my wedding, but I lost even more weight after my wedding. It's probably this glam avatar takes a lot of effort. I'm joking. I used to weigh 45 kgs, I think back then when I met Vipul, which was about 2.5 years ago. And it was extremely overwhelming when I became 65 kgs right before my engagement and also the day of my engagement. I think I might just put up a picture here as to how I used to be, but don't know yet. But any which ways, I used to be about 65, 67, which is not really obese, but yeah, for somebody who is so skinny like me, like 45 and never even crossed anything like 46, all I heard was, oh, toothpick, oh, you're so thin. And then I became like, oh, you're so fat, oh, you have a double chin. So yeah, all that did play on my head, of course, but I was very confident about the way I looked even then. I had no apprehensions, but I chose to lose all the weight before my wedding. I think 3 months before my wedding, I joined a gym really close to my house. And yeah, I think my trainer was really nice and I just lost all the weight. And how did I lose all the weight now? Stress and nothing else. Next question is, one thing you will never do. One thing I'll never do. What can I not do? I think I'll try not to hurt somebody. If I have a choice, I mean, I'm sure everybody does tend to hurt people at some given point of time, maybe intentionally or even unintentionally. But if given a choice, one thing that I'll try not to do ever is people. Which is your favorite cuisine? Hands down, Italian. I love risottos, I love pasta, I love mezzo, I love everything. I like Romanos, love Italian food. Which is your favorite cuisine? Is done. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I have a younger sister who is aspiring to become a teacher. How was I in school? This is going to take a lot of time actually. How was I in school? I used to be this geek in school back then. I was a typical, you know, this Punjabi daughter that a Punjabi mom brings up, like straight hair, like center parted hair, lots of parachute coconut oil and Dabur Vatika oil on my hair. I used to not wear lenses, so I remember I used to wear specs. I used to be this geek who probably hated boys. I don't know why I hated boys, but I hated boys. I used to have like this long hair. I was extremely awkward as a child, but I was very intelligent. I used to be the toppers of my class. Like I used to be one of the toppers of my class. Most of the times I used to be either first or second. And yeah, I used to be very awkward. But one good thing about me in school was that I was very active into sports. I used to be an athlete, and I have like ran a lot of like for my school tournaments and inter-school competition and all that. Completely difficult to believe right now that I could run that fast, but try me, huh? I can, okay? So yeah, I used to be very awkward in school. I was not very confident. I could never imagine that I would be ever doing something like this that I am right now in my life. And fashion and beauty, I used to wear kittos and my papa's shirt and like those really long denim shorts that you get. I'm never going to share that picture, so just keep imagining. So yeah, that's how I used to be in school, and then things changed. Next question, oh my god. Biggest makeup faux pas. Okay, so biggest makeup mistake would definitely be choosing the wrong foundation. You know, when you're growing up, you really don't know the aesthetics of makeup until and unless, you know, you're too much inclined towards it. And given the fact that I was so socially awkward and such a big tomboy, I always ended up buying the wrong shade of foundation. And for some off reason, people used to feel like, ये गोरी दिखने की कोशिश कर रही है. No, I was not doing that. So hello, whoever thinks that, that's not true. I've always somehow gotten onto like choosing the wrong shade of foundation, and it's only recently that I figured out my correct shade, and I'm like, ha, boo, yeah, now I look fine. So yeah, wrong foundation. Most embarrassing moment. Most embarrassing moment would be at my wedding reception, because I really don't remember anything that happened on my wedding. You know why? Keep thinking. Holiday destination on my mind, Paris for sure. Favorite show, Friends. I love Matt LeBlanc. I have a huge crush on him, and I think till I die, I'm gonna have like a huge crush on him. Favorite show is done. One celebrity I will cook for. Can I make that two? I think I'll cook for Zac Efron and Matt LeBlanc. If they are okay with it, I'll cook for them together. Who has a problem? If not Bombay, then where? Hands down, Goa. I always make a trip to Goa at least thrice a year minimum. So if ever given a chance, opportunity, I will just shift to Goa. Have you ever gone Sabzi shopping? What's the rate of tomatoes? Have I ever gone Sabzi shopping? Yeah, I have gone Sabzi shopping. Come on, I'm a wife. I'm supposed to do all this. I'm a nice wife. Let's ask Vipul that, but I am nice, I know. And what's the rate of tomatoes? Pata nahi yaar, 20 rupees, 25 rupees. I don't know, just ask a vendor nearby, na. He'll tell you. What you're asking me all these questions, tomato rates and all. Come on guys, yeah. What, yeah. How many kids do you want to have? Well, as of now, I'm a kid myself, because I'm just 25, so the thought of having a child hasn't really hit my head. But if ever later in the future, I think one, because there are too many kids out there, so I think let's not bring too many more. Stick to one child, so one child. And the last question is, the last thing you just shopped? How could I not brag about this in this video? Kylie Lippies, guys. Oh my god, I have been dying to get my hands on this, and the two shades that I've got is Poisey K and Candy K, and I love it. I cannot wait to try these on, and I know that everybody around me is so super jealous of me right now because they ordered theirs like about months ago and it hasn't come and mine came in, guys. So this is the best thing ever. So these are the last things that I've shopped. Maybe after this video gets over, I might just go to Coops and pick something else. So you know, there can never be a last. There can always be a second last because I'm a shopaholic. So yeah, I think we're done with all the questions. I think it was fun. The TMI tag was not that bad. It's kind of like reminiscing whatever happened in the past and remembering how cool you're right now and how uncool you were back then. But yeah, it was great fun. If you have more questions, I would love to answer them. Please post them in the comment section below. If you like this video and if you want me to do more TMI questions like these, or if you want to just chat with me, let me know in the comment section below and I shall do a video on that. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!